Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 44. Dear students, today we'll learn about timetable. Look at these pictures carefully. Time to get up. The clock shows 5 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast time. The clock shows 7 o'clock in the morning. Study time. The clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Lunch time. The clock shows 1 o'clock in the noon. Time to play. The clock shows 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Bed time. The clock shows 9 o'clock at night. Do you know good children sleep early so that they may get up early in the next morning? Early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy, and wise. Isn't it interesting? Respectable teachers and parents advise the children to follow a timetable in their lives. Ask them to prepare and design their timetables and include all basic things they do during a day. Encourage the children for developing more interest in their understanding of time telling. Advise them to respect their time, telling them that time, once gone, never returns. Tell interesting and motivational quotes about time to the children so that they may value their precious time. Appreciate the children's involvement in all activities related to designing and presenting their timetables in the classroom and clap for them. Thank you.